Alright guys, this is Nifty 50 and now you can see we got a buy opportunity. So I already entered here. So why I entered? So that is a session breakout. So strong push up here. So market open a gap up. So after that here from this area, our rubber band man start running toward the downside very fast. So after that he take little bit rest and again run fast, but slightly he break this lower point. So after that again price take a rest and some money spot are there in this area. So once they break, so definitely we'll go for buy, and I'll use 1:3 profit ratio. This is the perfect setup they are forming. So once I get the opportunity, I already add some position, and the next I'll add some position. I place my SL somewhere there and very tight SL, okay, because this area is very sensitive area, so that is why I using tight SL. So here another I can see this is Bank Nifty. So basically I'm looking for buy near this session lower point. So I'm just waiting for a rejection. So right now price near this demand zone, but I need some session rejection. What is the meaning of that? What is the heck? So means, so you can see price open gap up and very strong resistance here. So that is why I am not interested to take any position. I'll show you why this is very strong resistance. So first the rubber band man start running from this area very fast, take a rest, again try, he make a little bit higher. So after that he take less rest, again he try. So I don't want to enter in Bank Nifty now. So I'd like to enter once price hit this session lower point, and if any buy signal form, so definitely we'll go for buy by using 1:3 or 1:4 ratio. So why this level is most important? This red line, let me show you in the daily time frame there. Okay. All right, now you can see this is the daily time frame. So daily time frame, there's a strong resistance. It's extremely price drop. Here you can see drastically price drop. So that is why very strong resistance. So it is a probability to pull back. So that is why I just using like 1:2 or sorry 1:3 to 1:4 ratio only. So means my target should not be above this red line. Let me show you in a 5-minute chart. Okay, so here you can see this is a 5-minute chart. If I place like buy order here, my SL like 50 point, ideally I kept 50, and my target 150. So it's just showing 150 is here my target. All right, so basically I'm not interested here, but if price push down to near session breakout, this session lower point, if I get any opportunity, then my target will be somewhere there below this red line. All right, so I don't want to place my target point somewhere there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.